Welcome everyone. Today we are going to take a look at a simple question. So this question wants us to take user's age as an input and print their age. So we'll be using the print function. First step is to declare a variable. Let's say it's age equal to input. Okay. Now this function will take an input. So I'll enter input here. Now then we have to print their age. So I'll use the print function and say your age is, and then I'll put the variable. Upon running, we get the output. So there's another way to do this question is to print out using f string literals. So print f, you type f and then you use your age is and then you insert age. We got the same result. Now one more method. So this method says, so you'll say your age is, okay, and then we'll just put a flower bracket. Now in the end of the string we'll say dot format and then put age. So when I run it, I get the output. So here are three methods to print age. One is directly putting the variable, then you use f string literals, and then there is another method of using dot format. Thank you.